Um, Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. We are continuing with our study of analytical geometry. Um, let's focus on the midpoint. What is the midpoint first? Say you have a line like this, then you have this point, and this point here. This is A, this is B, then this is C. So C is the midpoint of this line segment AB if and only if the distance from A to C is equal to the distance from C to B. C is the midpoint if and only if this is the case. So focusing on this circle here, this is a circle, and this line here, if this line is the diameter of the circle and this M is the center of the circle, then this line is, then this M is our midpoint because this is the radius and this is the radius. Radius is equal to the radius. Okay, now let's get straight to the problem now. Let's get straight to the problem. That's our aim anyways. Okay, so the formula for the midpoint is given here. This is our formula to calculate the midpoint. This is our formula. X1 plus x2 over 2 is 2. Y1 plus y2 over 2. This is the formula. Okay, now what is the problem now? So here they say determine the midpoint of TS. Where is TS? Let's erase everything. This is T, this is S. This is T, this is S. So they want the midpoint of TS. So they are looking for a point somewhere here. Let me pick another color red. They are looking for a point somewhere there. Okay, now let's use the formula. They want the midpoint of TS. So let me just say midpoint. Let me just say mid TS is equal to actually there is no need for this. You just write the formula first as it is. Let me pick another color, black. I'll just say okay, I don't know what. So to answer this, when you in an exam room, I'll say okay, let midpoint of TS be equal to let's pick any letter. Let's say be equal to some letter L. So L, the coordinates of L are x. Remember, it's the midpoint of TS, so it's gonna be xt plus xs all divided by 2 is 2, yt plus ys all divided by 2. Then you close. This is equal to L. So where is xt? Here is my xt equal to 3 plus, where is my xs? Xs, here is my xs equal to 5. Then you divide that by 2. This 2 is 2. Where is my yt? My yt is 7 plus my ys is 2 plus 2. Then you divide that by 2. This is equal to L. What is 3 plus 5? 3 plus 5 is the same as 8. 8 divided by 2, that's 4, is 2. 7 plus 2, that's 9. 9 plus 2, 7 plus 2 That's 9. So here I have 9 over 2. These are my points. But 9 over 2 is 4.5. So this is equal to 4 is to 4.5. Here, this is our midpoint. This is our midpoint. And thank you very much. So the midpoint of TS is this. Hopefully this video makes sense. Let's go to another problem.